How's it going? Today I'm going to go over how to draw Cult of the Lamb. A really cool video game. It's just going to be the head of our main character. And that's pretty much it, okay? Hopefully you have a great time with this. This is going to be a very, 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 very simple tutorial. It's going to be short, so stay till the end. If you have any questions during, just type them in the comment section. I will reply to every single comment. All right, let's get started. All right, first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go over here and I'm going to start with 3 bumps. So regular bump, bigger bump, another bump. Cool, cool, cool. Gonna pull out, line over here, out, line over here. Right on, for kind of the outside of that head. We're now gonna go to this area in the middle, all right? And I'm gonna draw 2 bumps right here, okay? So right here, I'm gonna draw right there, right there, okay? Almost like a 3 aimed upward. Now, I'm gonna start a line over here and I'm gonna curve downward, okay? Out over here, down. Go over here to this side, on this side, out over here, down. Cool, cool. Right on. Next thing, I'm gonna go into this zone right here, and I'm gonna draw a circle, 2 circles, almost like they look like pool ball. You know, like when you play pool, those balls in pool. They really remind me of that. So I'm gonna go over here, and I might even mark out the sides of it where I want it to reach. So maybe like I want, you know, it to go this far, and then maybe on this side, if I draw like, you know, I want it to go this far. This is how I make circles sometimes, is I want to make it how far do I want it to go, and I kind of mark it out. So let's just go over here, right there, and just kind of curve through that area and do that. Gonna go over here this side, same thing. How far do I want this ball area to go? Curve over here, curve over here. So now you have the 2 eyes right there. Relatively simple, right? Hopefully it is for you. Don't forget to hit the like, by the way, if you like the teaching method. You like it like slowed down like this, let me know. I'm gonna go right here in the middle, but definitely hit that like. It will help it shoot out to more people. Oops, daisy. It's basically a V right there for the mouth. Gonna go over here now, and I'm gonna throw a curve on this side, over here on this side. Curve. Gonna go over here on this side. Curve. And then I'm gonna draw a straight line down here, okay? And it's gonna connect them. If you have issues making straight lines, don't forget, go check out the main drawing lesson at sketchingeasy.com. Sketchingeasy.com, click the dragon. It teaches you basically how to keep your lines clean. Like, you will never, ever, ever learn a better spot, I think, to make your lines totally clean from now on. Go check out that lesson later, after the lesson, of course. And I think this guy's pretty cute, by the way, right? I think so. I'm gonna go over here and I'm gonna draw a curve around the side as well. This is a lamb, so curve over here. And I'm gonna go on this side, same thing. Curve over here. And now I'm gonna connect this down here. Right on, right? Super easy so far, right? Let me know, guys, if I'm doing it. All right, if I'm doing it at your pace. Gonna go over here on this side, pull out, curve underneath. Go over here on this side, pull out, curve underneath, right there. And that's the lamb's ears, kind of just down at rest. All right, cool, cool. Let's go over here to the eye, and I'm gonna do over here and draw a curve. Okay, but when you get to the middle point about, you're gonna go right here, pull out, in, and curve underneath right there. Do the exact same shape on this side. Gonna be a curve right there. At this point, pulling back, and then continue that overall curve right there. Okay, all right. Let's fill these in dark, okay? Fill these in totally black. Not totally, but just that shape right there. While I'm doing that, hopefully you're having a great day. I'm trying to play more video games, but it's a little bit hard. I tend to watch a lot of TV shows because I can multitask during them. But video games, you can't multitask, right? I could just play the game and that's it. So, yeah, it's become kind of hard. I'm playing Spider-Man right now, the PS4 game. But yeah, it's kind of hard to get to gaming, honestly, sometimes. Right there. Fill it in as well on this side. What a cute lamb. If you like cute stuff, go check out the Cute Drawing ebook. I put that link in the description. That is a great ebook for drawing cute stuff. I give you kind of all the basics of basically drawing something adorable. It's all contained in that book. It's somewhere in the description if you can find it. The download. I'm gonna go over here now, and I'm gonna draw a bump right there. It's gonna be a horn and a bump right here. That horn. Gonna draw a line across, line across, line across. Gonna go over here, line across, line across, line across, line across for that. And now we're gonna go for that little hat. He has a hat on. I'm gonna go pull up. Gonna go over here, pull up, curve down right there, and curve down. And then we're gonna draw an eye on his hat. Curve, curve underneath. Looks like a peanut. Draw an eye right there, and we're gonna fill in this whole hat shape. What do you guys like to draw? Let me know in the comments section. Normally in my own time, I like to draw monster designs. That's kind of like mostly what I like to do, but let me know what you like to do. It's really kind of fun to do that. I mean, it's fun to kind of see what other people draw. I've always kind of wondered that as well. Pull it in here. Kind of filling this in, right? I'm kind of killing my marker while I'm doing that, but you know what? It's worth it. It's worth it for the lesson. Absolutely, definitely hit that like if you haven't, because I am destroying my marker right now. Come on, right here. Woo! Dang, that was hard. That's it. I want to thank you very much. You are amazing. I want you to give me a high five, a digital high five. Write digital high five in the comments, and I will reply to that. Talk to you later, and I'll see you very soon. See ya.